The case against 11 accused, including 5 Mexican nationals who were arrested in connection with a large-scale of illegal drug lab in Swartrekens in the northwest, has been postponed by the local magistrates court for a week for interpreters, verification of immigration status and possible formal bail application. Sintleng Lihihi compiled this report.
The 11 suspects who were arrested in connection with that brazen operation that was discovered by police here in Northwest in Swartrekens made a brief appearance here in the magistrate court, and their case was postponed for 7 days to allow for interpreters to be found, considering that the vast majority of them are Mozambicans, Zimbabweans, and, a matter of fact, Mexicans. We understand that this will also allow for investigations that are ongoing to also gain momentum and track. But we understand from community members that this situation with this game farm that has been fronting and actually operating rather as a lab for the manufacturing of methamphetamines has been around for some time. For a better understanding, we're going to speak to one of the community members who was part and parcel of those who actually unraveled this and tried to get police to intervene. And Tata Willem, just your full name, capacity, and as a community, what did you see that raised suspicions?
I'm Willem Roche. I'm the chairperson of the Agricultural Union. I'm also the Ward 2 councillor in Getleng Rivier. 2 years ago, the smell started coming up from, it's a difficult smell. We mentioned it to the province. We mentioned it to the Hawks in the province. We mentioned it to the intelligent people in the province. No one of them came back to us in 3 years' time, because it's the same as we reported the cases of rhinos being killed in our area and nothing has been done about it. So there's a big split. We don't trust the police in the province. Genuine. With General Naidu that's coming here to say it was his outcome of his investigation, that's a lie, because they knew about this when everybody has been captured that morning already. So we do have a serious problem with police, especially in this province, because they are not there to protect the community. They do whatever they want to do.
Now, this lack of police absence and activity, are you